In 1942, there was a man called the Phantom Barber. He would break into people's houses in Mississippi at night and cut their hair. In 2018, a Russian hacker broke into 1 lakh people's router but with good intention. He did not do any fraud but only changed their settings so they don't get hacked in the future by others. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un travels with his personal toilet to prevent his excretion from falling into the wrong hands. The waste contained information about his health status and can't be left behind. These identical twin sisters could not wait to be born to have their first fight. In China, unborn twins were spotted fighting with each other in their mother wombs in the ultrasound. Persian King Aga Muhammad Khan ordered the execution of 2 servants for being too loud. Since it was a holy day, he postponed their execution by a day and made the servants return to their duties. They murdered the king in his sleep that night. Queen Elizabeth of the UK has had her position as queen since before 82% of the entire population of the UK was even born. In 2010, Tokyo government official went to congratulate the oldest man in the city on his 111th birthday but instead found a skeleton on his bed. He had been dead for 30 years but his family were still taking his pension money. A teen injected himself with mercury at least 3 times in an attempt to convert his bones to metals after seeing X-Men Origin Wolverine. He also intentionally got bitten by a spider multiple times because he wanted to be Spider-Man. A kidnapped teen did not know he was kidnapped until he applied to college 13 years after his kidnapping. Jennifer Ringley was the first person to broadcast her life online. The 19 years old kept her cam live nearly 24/7 for 7 years. At its peak, her website jennycam.org got 7 million hits per day, a significant proportion of the internet at the time. Ringley shut off the cam in 2003. In this wedding photo from Izu Island, people had to use gas masks due to the amount of sulfur in the air from volcanoes. In 1696 in England, William III introduced the window tax, taxing houses based on the number of windows they had. Many houses bricked up their windows, which you can still see today, in order to avoid paying the tax. Eventually, this became a healthy problem and ultimately led to the tax repeal in 1851. Oksana Malaya was abandoned at the age of 3 and raised by dogs. When she was found at the age of 8 years, she walked on all four, barked, and completely behaved like a dog. A man from Pennsylvania was accidentally credited $92 quadrillion by PayPal and he was the richest man on earth for 2 minutes. A man named Walter Summerford was struck by lightning 3 times in his life. After his death, his gravestone was also struck. After retiring from NASA, Buzz Aldrin, second man on the moon, fell into a deep depression and ended up working as a used car salesman. There exists a purple potato that tastes like a normal potato but looks like the universe. A spa owner in Cairo, Egypt, offering its clients neck massage. They use a combination of python and around 28 different types of non-venomous snakes during the 30-minute session. A train station in Japan had plans to close but noticed a student was the only one using it. They decided to close when she graduated from high school. That's Japan for you. A man in China once had 9,999 red roses sewn into a dress for his girlfriend before asking for her hand in marriage. The most ideal plane crash, nobody died. Great Britain, 10 October 1960. This is what Tokyo, the largest city on earth, looks like from a plane. Leaning Tower of Pisa has never been straight. Soon after building started in 1173, the foundation of the Pisa Tower settled unevenly. Construction was stopped and was resumed only 100 years later. In 1518, there was a dancing pandemic occurred in Strasbourg. 400 people danced uncontrollably for 1 month and died of heart attack. A Chinese sailor Punlim survived 133 days alone on an 8 square feet raft in the South Atlantic after his ship was sunk by a German U-boat in 1942. There is a train station in southern Japan with no entrance or exit. You get off but you can't go anywhere, and to leave you have to wait for the next train. This station has only one function: to remind people the importance of stopping and admire the view. The tomb of the unknown soldiers is guarded 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, regardless of the weather condition. As a matter of fact, there has been a guard on duty every second of every hour of every day since July 2, 1937. This is the world's smallest artificial heart. In 2012, it saved the life of a 16 months old baby for 13 days until the donor heart became available. Ancient Greeks called alcohol the mirror of the mind and believed the way you behaved when you drank it was revealing of your innermost nature. An elderly man gained the trust of a Belgian bank by bringing the workers chocolates. He was eventually given VIP access to the bank vault. In 2007, he stole $28 million worth of diamonds and vanished. Iceland is the only country without mosquitoes, snakes, or other reptiles. They also have very few species of spiders, none of which are harmful to humans. Little Merritt, an 8-year-old boy who died in 1865, a few days before he died, he told his dad he was afraid to be buried in a dark tomb. His parents honored his wish and put a windows in his tomb. If Godzilla was real, he would produce 15 crore 14 lakh 36,928 gallons of urine per day. Canadian woman lost her wedding ring while she was gardening in 2004, found it 13 years later when other carrot had grown through it. Female anacondas strangle and eat the male after mating so they can survive in the 7 months of fasting during their pregnancy. Switzerland attacked its neighboring country Liechtenstein 3 times in 30 years, surprisingly by mistake each time. In 1915, a woman arrived late at her sister's funeral. When she arrived, she demanded that her sister's coffin be raised so that she could see her one last time. Upon opening the coffin, her sister Azy Dunbar sat up and smiled. She went on to live another 47 years. 36 years old Jonathan Young Kim fits the definition of an overachiever. He is a US Navy lieutenant and former SEAL, a physician from Harvard Medical School, a NASA astronaut, and is now waiting on his first mission in space. When asked how does moon surface taste and smell, Apollo 16 pilot Charlie Duke said it is a really strong smell. It has that taste to me of gunpowder. A man in Taiwan named Ben Su accidentally swallowed an Apple AirPod and found that it still worked after passing through his digestive system. The battery was still at 41%. In Hong Kong, about 80% of residents flush their toilet with seawater. Thanks to a separate water distribution system set up in the 1950s, the approach conserves the city's scarce freshwater resource. In 2011, stylish magazine GQ has released a list of its 15 worst dressed men of Silicon Valley. Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, ranked the number 1 spot in that list. A heartwarming story. An Indian kid accidentally ran over his neighbor's chicken with his bicycle. He took the chicken run to the nearest hospital with all the money he had, asked for help. Saudi Arabia does not have enough camels, so it imports them from Australia. Speaking of imports, Saudi Arabia imports sand too. Scientists want to shorten the duration of 1 minute to 59 seconds instead of 60. Earth is spinning faster now and as a result they want minute to be shorter too. Everything will be rewritten if it happens. A man named Chancy spent every weekend of his life at the Nanjing Yangtze River Bridge, the world number 1 suicide site, and saved people from jumping. He had saved more than 321 people from killing themselves. In 2015, BMW released an advertisement April Fool Day special. They said come with any old car and get a brand new BMW. No one had come as everyone thought as an April Fool prank, but a lady went with an old Nissan car as a joke and BMW gave her a brand new car in real. In 1967, Harold Holt, the Prime Minister of Australia, disappeared while swimming in the sea near Portsea, Victoria. He was never found. Artist lip dress in the Dead Sea for 2 months and it turns into a glittering salt crystal masterpiece. There is a Korean horror film named The Death Bell in which a student is killed for every question answered incorrectly.